Hello, this is my Redmi Note 9 Pro and today I am making the video of unboxing and I will give you some first impressions and features of this phone. This is a very good and high performance phone and has very excellent features in it, and we will talk about the features in the video which makes the phone different. And let's start the video. This is the box of the phone which has a very good branding on it, and it tells us that it is the number one smartphone brand of India, and it has 7 Snapdragon 720G present on it. And on the sides it is written Redmi Note 9 Pro, which gives a very good feel. And let's now unbox the phone. And after opening the box, we will see that there is a further box in which the phone is packed, and there is the accessories of the phone inside the box. And now let's open the second box to see the phone. Now let's open the box. Now, box is opened, and we can see that our brand new Redmi Note 9 Pro is here, and this is the user manual guide of the phone, and the rest of the accessories are present in the box. Now we are opening the Redmi Note 9 Pro. As we have opened the second box, and we can see that the phone is packed in a very good film, and we are going to remove the film. And then and after removing the film, we can see that our phone is here. We can see that it is a very good phone which is built up of very good quality and has a very sleek design, and it has a 48 megapixel quad camera which is placed in the center, and it has a punch hole display, which is a very good option nowadays. As we can see that our phone is switched on. I have switched on the phone earlier because I have bought it online, and I have to check that the phone is genuine or not. This particular phone has a 6.5 inches display, punch hole display, and which has IPS LCD 16 colors display present in it. Now, as I have told earlier, that it has a 48 megapixel AL quad camera present in it, which has a very good quality and many amazing features. Particular phone has a very good picture quality and has very amazing features like Pro, Panorama, Portrait, HDR, Gyro EIS, which is very common and good function nowadays. And on the other side, when we talk about the video, we can make 4K videos in the particular phone in very low price. And now, as we can see that the phone has a very good and smooth touch present in it. And we can also have steps tracker and fitness tracker in this particular phone, which is a very good and necessary feature uh, required nowadays. Now, as we can go through the settings, and we can have many good options like fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and we can now see about the phone storage and configuration, about the RAM and the model, and the Android update. We have opened the about phone option. We can check through all the configurations you can see below. So, as you have gone through all the configurations options of the phone, and I will also tell you that this phone has 4 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage, which is also known as ROM nowadays. Now, as we can see our passwords and security options of our phone, we can see that the phone has enabled with fingerprint sensor and face unlock, which is a very good and nice feature of the phone, which is in great demand nowadays. Now, as you can see that we have enabled fingerprint sensor of the phone, which is present on the power button of this phone, which is working very smoothly and very fast. By using fingerprint sensor, we will unlock the phone many times in the video, as you can see further. As you have gone through all the security options, now we will talk about the design and body material of the phone. This phone has single speaker present in it and has a type C charger and has 30 watts fast charging present in it. This phone has a maximum height of 165.8 mm and width of 76.7 mm, and the particular phone has thickness of 8.8 mm, and the phone is very heavy as we have measured the weight of the phone as 210 gram approx. The back of the phone is made up of Gorilla V5 and the frame of the particular phone is made up of plastic. And now we have the accessories of the phone like back cover, like which is of made up of silicone, type C charger. Redmi can also give 33-watt fast charging option, but according to the price, the 30 watts fast charging is satisfactory. And now, after seeing the data cable, we can also see the adapter of the particular phone, which is a fast charging adapter and charges the phone in minimum 1 to 2 hours, and which is a very good in this very low price. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.